Yeah.
You're so nice now.
Thank you, honorable member of jury. I would like to say to you that I'm very happy that you give me the opportunity in this technique university during the supervision of Professor Dr. Direk Manolu and also the supervision of Emmanuel Guillon from France. And this work was done in this technique and in the Reims University. The work is the fate of pesticide in soil and photocatalytic degradation by pellet-supported titanium dioxide. The objective of our work is to understand the fate of thiamethoxam in soil after using for agricultural purpose, and also to optimize the photocatalytic degradation of thiamethoxam pesticide in presence of pellet-supported titanium dioxide by using response-surface methodology. And here is interaction between pH and airflow. You can have it here. And let us notice that our material in natural have a pH around 6.10, and in low pH, the second factor was chosen as follows: pH from 4 to, and we use this in order to make a calculation of this parameter. The design of experiment can be done with a lot of surface plot, 3D surface plot of degradation, again airflow and PT, confirm that we said before. For example, here in that area we have the maximum adsorption. Here is correspond to the amount of pH. When you increase the amount of PT, the absorption percentage increase also. But after some amount, he can draw again. And this is the same for energy electric per order. By using our jump for euphoria, and here we check the degradation of thiamethoxam in euphoria. And because euphoria contains two molecules, active molecules, with lambda cyhalothrin, we try also to see the decreasing of lambda cyhalothrin concentration. And here we can say that 85% of thiamethoxam, 73% of thiamethoxam from euphoria, and 78% of lambda cyhalothrin was degraded after 270 minutes. What is the effect of photoreactor design? The effect of photoreactor design was evaluated by using energy electric per order. And here we can see that we use two photoreactors. This one, for this one, you have the UV light coming like this. And the second one was this, and the UV light coming from the top. Because our perlite is on the top of water, we would like to see if there could be some difference in the degradation. And then we obtain that for the system 1, this system, the energy electric per order is less consumed for this system, even if we use PST or titanium dioxide. The reusability of the PST was also successfully tested without regeneration, and thiamethoxam mineralization was observed by COD and TOC measurement. Only unstable intermediate products were detected by LCMS study, and after usage, separation of PST was easily achieved by flotation and on the water surface, as you can see in the picture. Let us remember that the objective of our work was to understand the fate of thiamethoxam in soil after using in agricultural purpose, and also to optimize the photocatalytic degradation of thiamethoxam pesticide in presence of perlite supported titanium dioxide by using response surface methodology. Pure titanium dioxide and also in commercial formulation effluvia was has a higher environmental risk. Perlite supported titanium dioxide presented suitable property to be used as photocatalyst for the degradation of thiamethoxam and also in commercial formulation. Dear member of jury, thank you again for taking your time for listening. I am available for all your questions and all your remarks in order to go away and use all the knowledge you give to me in my career. Thank you.
Doktor oldu, doktor Emine.
Applaudissez là, applaudissez. Yeah.
You're so nice now.
Thank you.
Her seferinde verdiniz, zahmet ettiniz, sizi yorduk size. Çok teşekkür ediyorum. Sağ olun, var olun, iyi ki varsınız. Thank you very much for everything, for your efforts, and Emine, we will continue to our collaboration. I will be very happy.
Yeah, we hope so.
Yes. And what else?
I don't know.
I don't know.